Yesterday I saw this really cool tweet from Thariq, who works at Anthropic, about using Claude Code as your video editor. One of the things in his tweet that I thought was really cool was this um, video of a black hole simulation, which he coded up with Manin, which is an open source tool that is used by people like Blue One Brown to do kind of science and math visualizations. So I decided it would be pretty cool if I coded this up and open sourced the prompt that I used to create this in Claude Code, so you can kind of try this yourself because I think it looks pretty awesome. So if I go out of this, I want to show you what my version of this looks like, which was done with a few different iterations in Claude Code. It cost me about $3.49 to do, and I spent about like 30 or 40 minutes iterating on it to get it to look like this. I think a lot of these AI tools struggle with visuals, so it doesn't look exactly the same, but you could probably futz around with this and kind of get it to sort of look the way that you want to if you spend some time on it. Anyway, you can find the source to this here. I'll link it in the comments on Twitter or on the YouTube show notes. And the actual specification to do this basically can be found here. If people are interested, I could try recreating this in Cline using maybe Kimi K2 or OpenAI just to kind of compare the results and costs and stuff like that. But anyway, just thought I'd drop this as I thought like Thariq's tweet was really cool and I thought people would want to kind of recreate this themselves. So anyway, this is the prompt I used to do that. Bye-bye.